Hey, Striker Metals here. Today I'll be making a Runic bone charm. Putting inside of this charm bottle, the usual large type I use, with a filigree learned cork and gold plated chain. Quite big split rings on that one. And here's all the smaller charm pieces that will be going inside. Little zinc skull, pieces of amethyst, seashell with a nice pattern upon it, little bead. There's the heavy copper bone that has runic symbols stamped upon it, and loads of shiny things. Gold plated bits of, that blue bit is a bit of sea glass, also from Seaside Salvage, from Wales, and lots of other salvaged bits. These are all from various jewellery components, brooches, bracelets, necklaces, all sorts. So mostly free in nature, and most of it is in fact from salvaged components. Shouldn't take too long to assemble. Bone first. Need these tweezers for the smaller bits, as they are indeed very small. Put them in a more specific order and just chucking them all in there. Tend to use this bone as a sort of seat a bit higher up. More to the side. Pour these things out. A lot of them are very small. Put that one in first. Flat bottomed gem. It's quite difficult to position that. It's fallen upside down. Should be able to reorientate it though. Remove the bone. Now I'm going to put that one in first actually. Look at that thing. Has a flat bottom upon it. Very shiny though. Go the right way round. There we go. Placement difficulties, well, clearly. Better. Ooh. Shell can go in there. Now, rotate that a bit. It shows more of the nice pattern. Nice gold beads, gold plated beads, a couple of them in. I'll break up the colour. Just, yeah. Turns out I don't need them. The spiky ends of these stones are digging into my skin. I just use that effect. And lastly, that bit of sea glass on the skull. Bit of blue sea glass. Get that skull the right way round though. And then, there we go. Oh. Damn it. Sort of tricky. It has got a sort of jaw piece on it though, for a sort of seat. Got it. Hey. Ooh, that looks cool. Look at that. Copper split ring also. It's in the way of the skull now. There. Cool. Check that out. Looks cool indeed. So, very sparkly, neat Runic charm. Lots of Runic type objects in there. Foretelling stuff. What? I know not. Foretelling shiny things. Well, somewhat unusual charm. Very pretty, hope you agree. Didn't take too long to assemble. Lots of smaller charm pieces within there. Well, until the next video.